Hey guys, Robert here with Gengras Chevrolet, going over one of the new standard features on our 2023 Chevy Equinox. Standard on all trim levels is our wireless Apple Carplay and Android Auto. Really simple feature to use. Helps you not be distracted while you're on the road, and will mirror everything from your phone to the actual infotainment screen of the Equinox. Simply connect your phone to Bluetooth, power the car on with your phone on you, and every time you get in the car, without any cables or any cords, we have our GPS or our Apple Maps if you're an iPhone user, our music, we have news, any kind of apps that you have on your phone that are safe to use while driving, like audiobooks, My Chevrolet, your calendar. Everything becomes apparent right on your screen. That allows you to keep your phone in a safe spot and away from you while you're driving. Standard on all Chevy Equinox trim levels, from the LS all the way to the Premier. Really great stuff here, guys. That's just one way that Chevrolet is innovating all of their features and staying up to date with current technology. So great stuff here. If you have any questions or you'd like to learn more, please give us a call at 860-727-6500. Ask for Robert, and we hope to see you.